Hi everybody, welcome to the tutorial. My name is Rati and I'm at the Smith College Imaging Center. Today's tutorial is on layers. So simply put, layers are like transparent sheets that allow you to make changes to a certain part of your Photoshop document without affecting other areas. For example, I can color this part green without affecting the red that's still at the bottom. So the first thing we'll look at is adding a new layer. To add a new layer, you're going to click on the rectangle with a plus in the middle, and a new layer is going to pop up right on top of your background called layer 1. Additionally, you can also do it by going to the top and clicking on layer, new layer, and it pops up layer 2. Next, we're going to take a look at how to turn layers on or off. To turn a layer on or off, you're just going to click on the eye icon that's right next to the layer here in the bottom right corner. So you can turn layer 2 off, layer 2 which has the green rectangle, or you can also turn layer 1 off by clicking the eye icon, and when it's off, there's no eye icon. When it's on, there's an eye icon. You can also change the ordering of the layers by simply dragging one layer on top of the other. Here, if we wanted to put the purple rectangle on top, we'll just drag this layer on top of layer 2. And there we have it. And we could do it vice versa. Next, we're going to look at flattening layers. So flattening layers is just combining different layers into one. And to achieve this, you're going to click on layer at the top. And you can either click merge down, merge visible, or flatten image. Merge down is just going to merge the layers that are close to each other. And merge visible is going to merge all layers that are turned on. And flatten image is going to merge everything all the way to the background. So you can see that your layers have been flattened by going down here into the bottom right corner and seeing that the background now contains what we had in layer 1 and layer 2. To delete a layer, you just click on the layer and click on the backspace button on your keyboard, and it's gone. And to select multiple layers, you click on your layer and hold down the command key and click on another layer, or as many as you'd like. To paste a layer into another workspace, you just navigate to the layer that you want to copy, and then you click Command C on your computer, or Control C if you're on a Windows, and then you navigate to the workspace that you want, and then you click Command V or Control V, and your image is going to show up there. And it shows up as a new layer, which you can see over there. And that's it for layers today. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Another additional piece of information is to pay attention to the layer that you're editing on so that you don't make mistakes while doing your work in Photoshop.